So me gotta go on.
As you see as of now, that's not a change my life, sir. That's a mistake. How would I do that?
How would I? Customer. So you feed him the soap?
Feed it. You didn't see me have a cup in my mouth or a bottle?
No, but the way I see you close up on him, I can't believe so it's just a client that or a customer.
It's just a customer, Alfred. So what me now? You not trust me?
Bigger.
So you look so nervous, Mega. And by the way, how him a call you Mega too? Not me alone call you so.
Alfred, how you really come here about? Come to support the business? Or you just come to look some argument or what problems? What me do?
Full attitude I do. I forward for support the thing, yes, but you see like you sit down now man lap over there so the way you're close to him.
Jesus Christ. You never Christian? What make us a lie? No, sir. Something right.
Right now, hear me, sir. You see, if you're involved with somebody else, you can make me know, you know. And nobody would have whole heap of run round thing, you know. Because 1 week now, I'm not hear from you, and you not reach out. So through me not reach out, you not reach out either.
No, Alfred, you're serious. You're serious, man. The last time I talked to you, you know, tell me say you want break apart, you know, want we go no further. If anything, you want break apart. Now me want you tell me now, I've been the best of myself with you. Me there around you through thick and thin. I never did itch to stand by you as a woman, so how we reach us to now. The last time it sound like I left you want left me, Alfred. Me not have nobody else. Are you from them time till now? We just have focus on the business when we are run and the stuff that we have to deal with.
But me forward just on the business, me see a focus on. Somebody else, me see a focus on.
You have to cater for my customer there.
Mega.
I'm still the one, Mega.
Yeah man, you can cut brother.
Mega. Who that brother? Yeah? What you mean? So him come and talk about like some man for more like him wine and things with that what happen? What you mean me attack too strong?
No, don't ask Mega owe me, ask me and owe me.
Oh yo.
What you mean? Mega, who that brother? No way I do to know you.
Yo, just be careful when you walk in a place and not come and go a certain way, you know.
Yo.
You don't know
Change
how
it
it's
to me
going.
now. Change it to me, please. Let me see some jail, yeah.
I want to you. You know what, Mega? Just keep the change. Just what me I say. Just keep the change. Because some boy don't know who is who.
I want to you. We're not afraid of people around here, so.
That's how you walk up around yourself now.
We're not afraid of people around here.
Stay far enough. Stay far enough. I want to
You
you.
know yourself. What you mean that one not call for? I owe him. Let me ask you something. I him lend you your money. I sugar daddy this.
Alfred, let me show you something over here, so. We catch up, you know.
Alfred.
What kind of ketchup? What kind of ketchup?
Alfred. What kind of old man name that? Eh? Alfred. Y'all agree up your tongue all mass. Alfred. Yeah.
How your style as old man? Yo, them are not old, you know. Them you know old.
I'm not play this one.
Old. So what kind of war you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And here, you know what you have to do. Come back, come back. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, Mega. Mega. You know yourself, you know.
What a
Yeah, well, just keep the change.
what a change!
Keep the change.
What's change? No, what a change. You see, come and cause problem. Personal pinch. I'm a baby that, you know. Oh,
They don't come and go and so.
I'm a big stripper. You have no troubles. Me have him one of my own name, you know.
But them need to-
Troubles, but me love him like that. All this man, all the change man, and talk to me when you feckle down, man.
But him know for him better know for deal with people when him see them. You see what I say? Can't come here so come and load up him out and him not know him not know him and I go through, you know.
Talk to him. Tonight, I want my anxiety chip.
Yeah, what?
Jump off.
We make a link on next time. You see me?